We're located right now on the Commercial Street Bridge, which is just outside of the Squirrel Hill tunnels on Route 376. It's a 2-year project that was in the works, all building up to this closure. The bridge is 837 feet long and 22 million pounds. And on this closure, they had to demo the old bridge and slide this new one into place. The piling, they just drove pile on it into bedrock, and then they built on top of that. And then they used the hydraulic lifts that kind of look like little train locomotives all together that just slid it into place, lift and slide. It was exactly 120 feet that they had to slide it back into the exact spot where it was located, so they built it just off to the side of it. To move it 120 feet took almost 24 hours to slide it. This is a first for this area of this size, to build it beside it and slide it over. They estimated this would have took 4 years of doing it in a 2-phase and gumming up traffic for 4 years instead of 25-day shutdown. We specialize in it, especially a heavy highway 274. From day one of coming out here and then putting the piling in with the pile drivers, they're trained to do this, and you can specifically see where the savings are on money when you're getting a highly trained guy out here to do the work and save on the time.